Hey there, space enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered about the mind-boggling events happening in the far reaches of our universe? Well, get ready to embark on a journey into the thrilling realm of high-energy astrophysics. In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of cosmic explosions, supermassive black holes, and the incredible phenomena that produce mind-blowing amounts of energy. Buckle up as we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. To understand high-energy astrophysics, let's start with the basics. Our universe is a vast expanse filled with various forms of energy. High-energy astrophysics deals with the most intense and powerful events that occur in space, generating an astonishing amount of energy. These events include supernovae, gamma-ray bursts, and the superheated regions around black holes. One of the most explosive events in the cosmos is a supernova. Imagine a star, many times larger than our Sun, reaching the end of its life. The gravitational forces at its core become too immense to resist, causing the star to collapse in on itself and then explode in a spectacular display of light and energy. These celestial fireworks can outshine entire galaxies and release more energy in seconds than our Sun will emit in its entire lifetime. Gamma-ray bursts are like the universe's death rays. These incredibly powerful bursts of gamma-ray radiation are thought to occur when massive stars collapse into black holes or when neutron stars collide. In a matter of seconds, a gamma-ray burst can emit more energy than our Sun will radiate during its entire existence. Fortunately, most of these bursts occur far away from Earth, but they still give us a glimpse into the raw power of the cosmos. Black holes are among the most mysterious and intriguing cosmic objects. These are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their clutches. But did you know that they're also energy monsters? As matter spirals into a black hole's voracious embrace, it heats up and releases tremendous amounts of energy in the form of X-rays and other high-energy radiation. This process can light up the universe with cosmic fireworks. Imagine particles being accelerated to almost the speed of light by cosmic forces. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Some of the most energetic events in space, like supernovae and supermassive black hole accretion disks, can accelerate particles to incredibly high energies. These supercharged particles then zoom across the universe, creating cosmic rays that constantly rain down on Earth. Studying high-energy astrophysics isn't easy, as much of this energy is invisible to the human eye. But fear not, scientists have developed amazing tools to observe and decipher the invisible universe. Instruments like X-ray telescopes, gamma-ray detectors, and radio telescopes equipped with advanced technology allow us to see these high-energy events indirectly and understand the underlying physics. High-energy astrophysics isn't just about mind-blowing explosions, it's also a playground where two of the most fundamental theories of physics collide: general relativity and quantum mechanics. General relativity explains the behavior of massive objects in space, while quantum mechanics deals with the tiniest particles and forces. Finding a unified theory that can explain both realms is one of the biggest challenges in modern physics. As technology advances, so does our ability to explore the universe's high-energy phenomena. We're on the brink of uncovering more secrets hidden in the depths of space. With upcoming missions and observatories, such as the James Webb Space Telescope and the Cherenkov Telescope Array, we're poised to learn more about the nature of dark matter, the properties of black holes, and the origins of cosmic rays. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the captivating realm of high-energy astrophysics. From explosive supernovae to energy-packed black holes, the universe never ceases to amaze us with its incredible events. As we continue to explore and push the boundaries of our understanding, remember that the cosmos is a grand spectacle of energy, a true testament to the magnificence of the universe we call home. So keep looking up, because the universe is full of high-energy surprises waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure into the world of high-energy astrophysics. If you're as fascinated by the universe's energy-packed events as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Keep exploring, keep wondering, and until next time, stay curious and keep looking to the stars. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.